Okay, so we're at our last step with the Adobe Premiere practice project, which is going to lead into us being able to do our stop motion animation video within Adobe Premiere. So up to this point, we've done 3 projects. The first one was just getting some video down into the timeline and learning how to rearrange them and have a start point and end point and that sort of thing. Project number 2 had to do with actually getting a title down, so that was having a beginning title. Project 3 was taking that same project and then adding some effects, some transition effects, some colorization, and also adding an audio track, which there was a song provided in the files from the Adobe website. So now we should have like a final product, at least a 30-second sequence that kind of rearranged the videos the way we wanted. We've got some sound effects, we've got a title, we've got some color effects, some transitions and that sort of thing. So now the last step is to export this. And what we're going to do is actually export it into our YouTube channel so that we can turn in the link from the YouTube channel to the Google Classroom assignment. So here's the assignment right here. It's called Adobe Premiere Project number 4. And if we're actually reading the directions, we're using saved project file from before. It's all the water hoverboarding with special effects, color tools, and audio tracks. That could be the music and the sound effects if you chose to do that. And we're going to export the video. So let's do that right now. We're going to go to our project in Adobe Premiere. So here's mine stacked up right here. And in order to export, it's actually a pretty simple process. We're going to go File, Export, Media. Now, once we get to this window, we're going to go down here and we're going to go to Publish. And there's a bunch of different places and ways that you can publish. So, Adobe and Behance and Facebook and an FPT server, Twitter, all those things. Vimeo's another video place, but we're going to go to YouTube because we have our YouTube channel with our BHS Night account. It's going to ask us to log in, so I'm going to go do that. So you're giving permission to Adobe.com to actually access your account so that you can put it into the YouTube channel. So we're gonna trust Adobe to do that correctly. And so now Adobe Premiere is going to do its magic. It is processing the videos, it's processing the music, it's processing the titles, the transitions, everything that you built on that timeline. It's going to be putting all that all together, composing a full video that we can watch. And once it's in our YouTube channel, we can take that link and then turn it into the project. So we got the channel. We're going to put a title. Let's call it Hoverboarding Adobe Premiere Practice. If you want to put a description, you can. I won't. Public versus private doesn't matter to me as long as you get me a link. And now we have all those settings done, we're going to go down here to export. And it's encoding it right now. So encoding just means that it's basically putting all those separate layers that we worked on. It's going to squish them all together. So again, that's any video files, the music files, the title files, all that good stuff, so that it is all into one video. Let's see how long this process takes for a nice, mine is a little over a minute. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty fast process. Once it puts all the files together, it's actually the encoding part of it right here actually goes really fast, as you can see. So we'll let that finish up. And we're going to go check the channel and make sure it's there. Okay, so it encoded it. Now it's uploading it to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's check it out. See if Premiere did their job right. So I'm going to go over here. To YouTube. Go to my channel. Where did it go? Let's go to my videos. Okay, there it is. So I had to go to my video section in order to find it. And it says hoverboarding Adobe Premiere Practice, like I did. So I'm going to get the shareable link. And it's copied to my clipboard now, and then I can go back to our class assignment and actually turn it in. Let's play it real quick here. Let's see. Okay, so there it is. The process worked. Now, it's your turn to go do that to your video. Good luck!